The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger. Zip fast 100% watt syakmat bercedian, blind view monitor. Bagi-wei. Tek kum ki kali rem, hagador ke berjam. Tak saupun riulak. Just wow.
Shibinta hagajing yalang hadin gajing play ya ying school jong St.Jerome Higher Secondary School Nongmensong dau ba asnyaw bahalang dhar simbot menteri rang ba kajela kum ukongsan hakakat South Rik unaila aja arpen riu uba AL MLA ubalami kmat riu sien ke Pynthorumkhrah constituency ula sya pen ko Burom hagi bor penyai ke Skul bat Nongmensong Parish namar gajing yo jong uye ke Kyrdan Doctor of Philosophy lani PhD in Politics. Kani ke Kyrdan kedai ke bela ai dak Integrated Global University Delhi hai ke benai bela dam kum gejing itu iki kam ai jing shakri ki kam bat sinyang imlang salang dau niu MLA bela job linter nadu usnam syaja khandai spa khandai pra hadu usnam arja arpulai pat batru bon sien kum menteri sarkar hakipor bela dam uba hek hausnam arja arpuwei hakapor ba upat ek kam kum menteri ketenat ke kwat ke khia ulasha itu ru dak World Health Organization naga benta gejing la jong uban penya iki kam hagajing yakun persya ek klam covid bat sha pen ko Burom ru dak kusnam Lord Gautam Buddha International Peace Award habakren hagani gejing lang uba hek ulaong bagajing yo jong uye ke Kyrdan PhD in Politics klam de le ek research ni IT yak thesis ke de lingba ki pat ba ke jila Meghalaya bat kham tam ne ki Nongmensong shnong ke Pynthorumkhrah constituency.
Hello. The Atiar Parish meski blade is Dr. Yelhek kilawat masak ni nila ngalakren meski blade hagi pa sebab ketika big achievement badon kiba yo eka kata Doctorate dan Doctorate rubi madam aparit Henry don kiba yo eka kata kanam dan Doctorate namar kakam keren kamjam mati Atiar di negeri daw gisorong sisya ku ke Parish sa bad ku ke Skul ba gidon na paling jungi ya i Dr. Yelhek di gini tap di berkait
They have already indicated that Bahek will be felicitate on the 14th of August. So thank you very much, Father Pascal, the Parish priest of the Nongmensong, and also Father Patrick, for recognizing me and all the St.Jerome family for recognizing me for, and also felicitation me for this program for recognizing me as the Doctorate in Politics. I'd like to thank also the Integral Global University. Last few months, they have invited me to Delhi to felicitate me and also to convert me as a PhD in politics. So I'd like to thank also the Global University for recognizing my service, which I have directly contributing to the society. To achieve this doctorate, I have not did any research nor have submitted any thesis. But it is the public of Pynthorumkhrah and the public of Meghalaya only have honored me this PhD in politics. So I congratulate to the peoples of Meghalaya and particularly the people of Pynthorumkhrah for giving me this doctorate in politics. As mentioned by Father Pascal, somebody who have been doing theoretical, they are doing this research, they are doing the thesis for submitting to achieve the doctorate. But I am getting my doctorate through the public contributions, which we have been working for the last 30 years in politics and 40 years in the social service to the peoples of Meghalaya. I have not just abruptly or suddenly have been given this doctorate. It is the pursuing of my work, my service in politics and also in social services that people have recognized me. Thank you so much once again to the St.Jerome family for these recognitions.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.